Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology SQL DBA for the company TCS. They're looking for 2 to 6 years of experience candidate. The location is pan India like Kochi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi. The job description is 2 plus years experience candidate in SQL Server, MySQL, and they should have hands-on experience in SQL Server and SQL patching and SQL backups. These are the other job description. You can send your resumes to this email ID. The education qualification need is any graduate, B.Tech, B in any specialization. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. The second technology is the Tech Mahindra for the role SQL DBA. They are looking for 3 to 5 years of experience candidate. The location is Hyderabad, Chennai. Job description is SQL Server database, configure and maintain database servers, and high-level performance and availability and sustainability of securities, and 24/7 supports as well. Willing to work for 24/7 shifts. And the education is any graduate. The third technology is SQL DBA administrator. The company name is Broadway infotech. They are looking for 3 to 6 years of experience candidate. The location is Noida, Delhi. And they have the notice period must be immediate or 15 to 30 days of time. Requirements is 3 plus years of experience into SQL Server, exposure in big data, experience in backup, restoring recovery model, and blocking, deadlocking, configuring and troubleshooting, creating indexes, query optimizations. The education is B.Tech, B in any specialization, and BCA in any specialization. The fourth one is SQL DBA administrator. The company name is Noida Infotech Solution. The experience is 2 to 5 years, hybrid mode, New Delhi, location is New Delhi. Education is any graduate. Job description is support area, database administrator support for SQL, version of 2008 to 2016, monitoring, maintenance, and housekeeping of SQL server and database. And these are the other job description name. And the fifth technology is TCS. They are looking for the SQL DBA administrator. They are looking for 2 to 6 years of experience. The location is pan India. They are looking for SQL server patching and SQL backup, 2 plus years of experience in SQL, and any graduate, B.Tech, B in any specialization. For these jobs, the link will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. For the more job details, please subscribe to our Source University channel for more job details. Thank you.